Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to change the headlights for a 2008 Altima. This is a two-door Altima. So first you just pop up some, pop-up screws, just press on them and then they come out. That's where you start. Then there is a 10mm bolt right here. I don't know if you see it. You just get it out, and then the other side there's another 10mm. There's this one right here, but my bumper is kind of messed up, so I didn't have to take it out. So these are the new headlights assembly. It's really nice. That's the whole one. I'll agree with it. To take out, you have 3 screws here, 3mm bolts. You got one here, and one down right here. All right. And there's actually one right here, this one, and one here. So the total will be like 10mm, and then it comes right out. So we're gonna do the same thing for the other side. This 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 right here. I'm gonna show you the other side. Look at it. Looks amazing. And that's how it looks right now. Which is awesome.